Anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Hello guys, welcome to second video of my YouTube channel Shalalan. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I am trying to make a hanging Christmas tree. So to provide you a little background, this year I really wanted a Christmas tree, so I thought of making very light hanging Christmas tree, something that I could hang on the wall. So this is not something I've done before, so I'm gonna try to make one. So for that I needed some stuff, for which I went in at my local stores like Walmart and some Dollar Tree stores to get some of the craft stuff. And so I went to Dollar Tree. I couldn't get much. I knew Hobby Lobby had some really good Christmas ornaments, but it is not super close to where I live. So I got some stuff from Target. So after a bit of struggle, I was about to find some stuff. So the things that I needed was some crystal ball ornaments, so that I could, like paint them in the kind of color depending on what I like, and not have to go with the conventional colors. I didn't really find exactly what I wanted, so I found these balls from Target, and they cost me like $5. These are really tiny ones, and I wanted tiny ones, not the larger ones, because it's going to be hanging Christmas. It's going to be hanging tree, so it will not have much strength to hold really heavy ornaments. So these are the right sizes. I'm thinking of a silverish, whitish, bluish theme for my tree. So in case my DIY stuff fails, I might use these ones. So I was thinking, like I'm saying, I wanted to get some glass crystal ball ornaments. I didn't really get them, but just when I was exiting out of the store from Target, I saw these like garden lights. So these are kind of crystallish. I already have lights, so I do not really need a lot of lights. These are just the right size balls that I need. So okay, they're working, that's good. But I'm thinking of painting them and using them as ornaments instead of just lights. I don't know how successful that will be, but I really like to try a lot of different stuff. So I'm going to use these, try to paint them. I'm going to use these to add to it. Apart from that, I've got these tiny reindeers to add to the Christmas tree. And I also needed like a bunch of twig to like connect the different steps of the tree. So I'm trying to do like a big size log. Also got these logs. I wanted to get like these wooden sticks for my tree. I looked for them online. I looked for them in different stores. I saw some in Target, but then they were of the like same size, like 4 of them, so I needed different size, so that really didn't work for me. This morning I just ventured outside. I really have a lot of trees just right behind my apartment. They're pine trees. They got the perfect pine fruits, so I had to like hand pick a number of pines. If you could see, here is the bag of like sticks and pines. So I really wanted to make it more fun, so I could have just gone to a store, bought a Christmas tree, or just bought all the wood. Just to clarify here, this is not the wood I like broke off a branch. These, I just found these laying that had fallen down, that were just laying on the ground. So no trees were hurt. I'm just using the wood that was already not part of the tree anymore. So it was raining the day before, so these are, some of them are still moist. I'm gonna like let them sit in the sun for a while and dry them out perfectly before painting them. So I've got a lot of them, different sizes. I'm gonna do the longest one, then the shorter, then the shortest one on the top. And I'm really excited about that. Also, I will need to clean these pine fruits, pine cones. They have some stuff entangled in there. I'm thinking of cleaning them first using some vinegar, and then I'm going to bake them. So what baking does is just opens them up, which helps in decorating. They look more beautiful after that. Ouch, that could be a pain handling them. Apart from that, I got some of these. I'm not sure exactly what fruit this is, but I had one of these trees in my apartment complex. Again, they were lying on the ground. I didn't really cut them off a branch or anything. I've got like 2 of these, didn't want a lot of them, just to add to the decoration of the tree. So that is one thing. So I also got this wrapping paper. It is Christmas themed wrapping paper, and I got this to like wrap my boxes, which I'm thinking of keeping it just right below where I hang the tree. Apart from that, talking of hanging, the Christmas tree will definitely be very heavy by the time it's up, it's ready. So I really needed some very strong hooks to hang it onto. So I got these Command free hanging stripes and hooks. They're super sturdy. I already used them, so I just got it. Apart from that, I got I wanted like a star to go on the top of my tree, like a tree topper. Couldn't really find a perfect star. I think most of these stuff was already sold out in most of the stores. I didn't want to order something online. I found this snowflake, which I think is perfect. It's white and blue themed. I might use as a tree topper. Apart from that, I'm thinking of using some of the modeling clay to just cut out some stars and stuff. I'm gonna let it dry and then paint it, and then sew like a thread or a string through it. So I got this thing from I think, yes, this also I got from Target. I really like the color of it. So I've got sewing needles. I'm going to just pull it through the needle and sew it and the clay stuff for it to be able to hang on the tree. So I've got some brushes. I paint, so I've already have these brushes, although I'm not a very good painter, but I think that could work. So I've got some sparkles here, some of the paint here that I already used, some different colors, and I've also got a can of spray paint. It will be kind of challenge to do this without much of a mesh in my room. So I'm just going to spread like a picnic spread that I got earlier, and then I would wear gloves and paint some stuff, and then I'll let you be part of this. So first of all, I'm going to just going to start cleaning. I'm going to begin with cleaning the pines. So let's go.
Anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you say